We might be cooked on Nvidia, boys. Check this out. So Nvidia went from 142 at open down to 135 at close, or closed like at 136 and 135 after hours. It was pretty bad. It was like a 4.1% drop. Didn't get to 5. And let's try to see where we think Nvidia could be going in the next few days. So right now, looking at this chart, this is bad, right? Because we've been going down 1, 2, 3 days in a row. We left a nice little wick up here the day we went up to 152, almost 153. And right now, it's actually looking like a good time to buy, believe it or not. You've already gone down 10% from your all-time highs. That's always a nice spot to start adding, preferably when you hit the 50-day moving average, which just so happens to be $1 less at 134. $1, give or take, you're never going to catch the bottom. Sometimes it doesn't even hit the 50, most times it does. So Nvidia is actually looking like a good buy, and I actually bought 125 shares of Nvidia today. So I have some Tesla shares that I'm longing, but these Nvidia shares I'm actually trying to work with, and I bought 125 at 136. So I was able to snipe almost the bottom. Surprised I even made it that far. I had to hold myself a little bit, but let's try to see where we think this could be going. So for the low cases, we have this 134. And then if we give up that 134, I think we could be going down to this 128 range, the bottom of this wick that we hit this previous day a few weeks back. And then if we give up that 128, we could be going for 125. So really, worst case scenarios, be looking for the 34, which if we keep falling tomorrow, we could hit up 134 to 132, which could happen, 134 to 132 tomorrow. And then if there's continuous downside, you're looking for 128, 125, which is going to be a perfect time to load up. Now, if we actually throw a fib extension, you could throw it from this recent swing low, which we're going to get, and we're going to throw a few fibs here. So recent swing low to swing high will actually throw you this, but some people don't like to measure it like this. Technically, you could just measure it from this day. So let's move this up, my bad. So if we move this up from swing low to swing high, you see we're kind of in the range. And then if you want to extend it back to the recent 128 day that we were talking about, you can see that we're kind of in this zone. So whatever way you look at it, it's pretty good. I'm starting to buy here. You know, you could go dollar cost averaging into this, but those are the worst cases. Now let's look at the bull cases. Bull cases, if we start gunning up tomorrow, we could reclaim the top of this candle and start going for the 140, 142, which is going to be some work because we need like $4 or $5 to go up, but we could go for it. So tomorrow, if you're looking for the upside, be watching 140 to 142. And then if there's continuous upside, we have all the way for 150. We could even go for all times high of 152, which I have a bold prediction on Nvidia. I think this name is going to see 160 this year before the year ends. There's a few weeks left. There's a month left in the year. That's it. November's almost done. We just have December. I think it's going to see 160, 4 trillion, which is 162. So 162 to 160, I think we're going to definitely see that range. If I'm wrong, well, I have my money where my mouth is with those shares, right? So let's see what happens with Nvidia. And that's all I have for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.